Greetings, everyone. My name is Silver, and I'm just putting this quick intro here now because I forgot to do so in the next part of the video. I realized that after editing the video, so yeah, here we are. So let's just quickly jump over to the Babylon side of the story to see what's going on with Storm and them. Shall we? Well, this looks familiar now, don't it? Very familiar.
Sorry!
Oh.
Boss, the red dude beat me in the race.
Poor Jet.
Man, you really are worthless.
And
Boss,
insult.
It wasn't my fault.
Oh, yep.
He must have cheated. That's it.
Cheated?
He must have used some special type of gear.
Knuckles cheating.
Are you implying that you lost because of my gear? No one can tune a gear the way I can. Accept it, buddy. It's not the board. Your skills just suck.
Ooh.
Suck?
Yes, S-U-C-K, suck.
Wave with the burns.
Stop it!
And enough of that.
Now, let's get down to business. I believe our colleague Eggman, he's gotta be hiding something.
You think?
And you know, I don't like secrets, so I've got a job for you, Storm.
Sure.
I want you to sneak into Eggman's base and find out what he's hiding there. Make sure you look carefully.
You got it, boss.
No secrets allowed.
Hey, before you go, bring something back or don't return at all.
Yes, sir.
Oh, poor shit! Oh no! Oh, he's pissed! Leave Eggman Rubble behind you. Finish in first place. Obviously, we need to finish in first place. But maybe if I'm in control of Storm, it won't be such a disappointment from him, eh? This music? Where's it from? Is it Sonic Adventure? I don't remember. Huh. I should look into that later. Hey, first we're in Mr. Molten Factory, now we're in Ice Factory. Funny how this is Eggman's, like, main factory in the story, but hey, what can you do about it? Oh! You need man, no match for man! For my fist! And hey! I was actually hoping to actually attack you, but hey, it is what it is. I think we got this. Do that for funsies! Oh, what the heck happened? What? You get out of here. I don't know what happened, but that's not okay. I'll be taking advantage of these shortcuts, don't mind me. For the most part, this seems to be pretty good, pretty solid, and then I just run into that. So much for a solid. Oh, that was another power thing. I'll try to get that in the last round. Or the last lap, I should say. Yeah, it seems to me that every time that, first, like, there's always, like, someone on my tail, and then, in the second lap, or third lap, depending on the race, I'm just getting ahead of all the AI. I don't know if this is entertaining to watch, because look at this! Look how far ahead I am from everyone else. Wait. I said I would go through here, and I meant it. And there's a thing back there, and I don't know what that was, but too late, the world may never know. Well, good job, Storm. You have not disappointed us this time. That was the whole 17 seconds ahead. Ooh. Alright, so we're actually going to be staying on the Babylon story side of things for the next race, so I'll see you in the cutscene. Quite a contrast from what happened last time, eh? Jet relaxing and all.
Oh boy, oh boy. Ugh.
And Wave's getting impatient.
Huh?
What's taking Storm so long?
Just sit down and relax. Chill, Wave.
You gotta relax every once in a
How
while.
can you be so relaxed at a time like this?
And she disagrees.
Don't you see? As the leader, you've got responsibilities. Some you understand, but you...
Oh my lord. I remember this. And she's just going on, and Jet notices something. Starting doing tricks?
I think it's time for a little fun.
Maybe. Oh, he's gonna sneak away! Sneak 100! Engaged!
Huh?
And he's gone.
Hey, Jet! You come back here! Right now!
Too late.
Why do I even bother?
Why do you?
Unless I take charge, nothing ever gets done here.
Huh. No description, just finish in first place. Huh. Very well. White Cave! Oh, this music from Sonic Adventure 2!
No way I'm gonna lose.
Alright, let's go, let's go! Hey, no! I'm gonna sneeze on you and you're gonna get out of my face, alright? Yep. Oh my lord. What was it called? White Forest? The level that this music was from? I believe so, or something like that anyway. Oh, the mile looking kind of funky there, but hey, we make it work. And that rail, I'll just take that later. Oh. By the winds, take me to the sky. And I'm still level 1, I just realized. Could probably change that. And I failed. Okay. I see you. No. What the? Oh my god. No. No, I'm not gonna let you. This time, take that. That's gonna be much better. You know, maybe I shouldn't even grab any rings and just see if I can finish this at first level. That would be quite something. Hey. No, 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 no. And why did you fail? This time, actually take that rail. Thank you, game. I appreciate it. I got hit with a tornado. And take this. And I am failing with the tricks today. Good grief. Just take that and hopefully... yes, excellent. That is how we do it, and we were at level 1 the entire time. That's embarrassing, but hey, we take those. Alright, see you on the hero storyline now. Oh, back to Sonic doing tricks!
Jedi Final Race will
too bad, not too bad.
Cool! Sonic! When did you learn those techniques?
Probably stole them.
Not very impressive for someone of your reputation.
Here's Jed.
You know, I've checked you out, actually. Not bad. I admit you're pretty fast on your feet. But here, it's a whole different story when riding with extreme gear.
I'd imagine.
See, to be the fastest on a gear, you have to become one with the wind. Without wings, well, you might as well kiss the ground and go home.
What the birds are loving to roast people? Seriously, that just keeps happening.
Who does he think he is?
Well, I don't think he's all talk, you know.
Nope.
I better be on my toes during this competition.
You'll have to.
I never imagined anyone would enter the race with such a piece of junk.
And Tails?
Sorry, Sonic. I just need to fine-tune a few things. Then your extreme gear will be at 100%.
Hey, Tails, you always do your best, so don't worry.
Yeah, but she has a point. She's a really brilliant mecha mechanic.
Tails is Arg?
Sonic, don't worry. I'll unlock the secret of the extreme gears for us.
Well, he's smarter than you think he is. I imagine he could figure it out. Defeat Wave? Wait, am I Tails? Hold on, let's see. What a coincidence! Oh my lord. Okay, yes, I'm Tails, but of course, White Forest plays in the other forest level, and now we have Green Forest from Sonic Adventure 2 from basically the same-ish level. What a coincidence! This couldn't be any more perfect, eh guys? Alright then, let's see how this goes. Hey, free fly ramp, don't mind me. Second. Hopefully I'm doing pretty decent for myself. Also, yep, take this. Hell yeah. And then take these spider webs. I'm getting a lot of nostalgia from this music, I'm not gonna lie. It's funny, because I think a good friend of mine had a Sonic Adventure 2 first, and then I eventually got it myself later. And that's why I'm so, like, nostalgic of this music. Especially for the 2 forest levels. That was one of my favorites, I'm not gonna lie. And I know this particular song is pretty popular with the fandom, I believe. Or at least moderately so. And we just hit level 2, and I noticed we're actually really far ahead of everyone else, so I don't know what I was worried about. Also, if you guys heard that, that was a Facebook notification, so ignore that. That was on my end. Oh. Yeah, they're kind of bad, but then again, I can afford it because of how far ahead I am. At this point, I might as well get to level 3. No reason not to. We're already on the 3rd lap. I forget how fast these races go by thanks to the mod increasing the speed by an astronomical amount, and I missed that ramp. So, oh well, we'll take this the old-fashioned way. Fell off. Oh well, no problem. And just like that, it is over! Nice! By 2 minutes and 22. Oh, okay. I'm gonna remind myself to do a bonus video after this series is over. To do the World Grand Prix just to see if this streak continues because my lord, that's insane. Anyway, I believe that should be enough for this time around, so when we come back, we'll be on the Babylon story again, so I will see you there, and have a good day, everyone.